Hello, welcome to Pinky's One-Offs. I'm Pinky, and this is my one-offs. um, I'm sorry it took so long to put up this video. I was supposed to put it up the same day I finished the Wagon Rat. It's, life gets in the way and you get busy. But I'm back, and this is the one I'm gonna start on next. I'm gonna go like a fighter jet kind of theme. It's gonna go army green. Gonna have a shark mouth. It's gonna be lowered. It's a good little kit. I love this little guy. He's sturdy, it's smooth, a lot of nice spots. I'm not sure if that's a blemish on it or is that where an antenna or something's gonna go. I feel like it's not a blemish, but other than that, it's a nice thing. I was going to put these white line tires on there. I thought they would look nice, tucked under there. But I think I'm gonna stick to the original black because even the black's gonna look nice tucked. But I also got on decal set from the old Nova set, I have some wheel stickers, so they're gonna go on the black. Also, I'm going to try my hand at this etching of this. There's two in here, fighter jet seats, but they're like rat rod seats as well. They're gonna go in that little guy. These sleepy eyes, I might put a set of these on there. This company, you got to check it out if you're into Volkswagens. They do tons of Volkswagen etching, and their etching is next level etching. Like, you can see there, it's hard to see it on here. There's tons of details in their etchings. Like their seat etching, it's got weight. It's a nice. Oh, it won't focus here. It's a nice etch. You get two sets in here. There's two plates beside each other. Like I have even their disc brakes, but I'm not sure what I'm putting them on yet. But if you even look at the disc brakes, they're etched right through. Like that's the caliper and brake pads. So if you guys get a chance, check out this company. Here is their card. I'm not attached with this company. They don't sponsor me. I came across them years ago. They're great, man. Like they got some Chevy stuff in there, but I don't think they got much. But they got a lot of Volkswagen stuff. But also, I'm taking the roll cage out of the Nova. It's gonna go in this. So let's see where this goes. This is my next build. Hopefully it goes as good as the last one. Take care, guys, and enjoy your week. This is Pinky's One-Offs. Oh, and thank you again to all my subscribers. 105 subscribers. That's incredible, guys. I didn't think I was going to get 10. Have a good day, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry I'm old school. I just call everybody boys, even if you're a girl. Take care, everybody. Enjoy your day. And until the next build, here we go.